Workshop Management module to create a new employee. Click on the Employees button and then click on the Employee tab. I'm going to select the first available blank line. Type the employee's initials into the code column and tab to the name. You can select the employee roles by clicking in the appropriate box, or if not applicable, leave the area blank. For instance, if I select Order Materials, this employee will appear in the Purchasing module login list. If an employee ceases to work for you, click the Inactive box. This action will remove him from all lists. Next, we enter a rate for this employee. Their hourly rate plus 42%. This 42% allows all associated costs such as annual leave and superannuation to be included. We need to get this right to achieve accurate job costing. Enter a date for your employee history and the current rate. Next, we want to enter the hours worked by the employee. We need only enter the first day, allowing for a lunch break, and copy and paste it into the remaining days. Enter 600A for AM and tab 12:30, leave the P as we want PM. Tab to the next line and I'm going to enter 1 and tab now 2:30. Now click the copy button on Tuesday and click paste. If the hours vary on certain days, you can edit as you go. For each entry, enter the rate. Weekdays are ordinary rate, then overtime rates, and how many hours the first overtime rate is paid for before it rolls over to the second rate. You also use this area to make changes to existing employees. Just highlight the employee on the list and change as necessary. Your employee setup is complete, and that concludes our video.